It is mixed martial arts and it's proudly presented to you by 86 kilograms for Palma Din Chin, 93 kilograms for Lee Seung Hyun. 61.70 kilograms for Kim Dong-hyun. 61.12 kilograms for Hiroki Fukuyama. 2 5-minute rounds will end before the first round. Will it go into additional third round? We'll wait and see. Thank you. 66.22 kilograms for Jung Sung-hwan. 66.18 kilograms for Nakuya Kunamoto. In the men's mixed martial arts featherweight division, they're standing between a very pretty lady and Young.
통과!
84.32 kilograms for Kim Jae-young.
83.82 통과!
83.82 kilograms for Cheshin Isobe. Kim Jae-young versus Cheshin Isobe. All right, now that we've got the official weights in check,